In the wonderful world of teaching music, there is so much terminology, it's no wonder music is a language unto its own. That's why on Musicplay.ca, we offer the Word Wall Kit, a fantastic flashcard solution with over 100 musical terms. The terms contained in the kit are those that are most commonly used in elementary music programs. The terms are sorted into categories such as articulation, dynamics, tempo, musical genres, notation, expression, styles and period, musical form, texture, melody and harmony, and so much more. The categories are color-coded and each word is numbered to help the teacher find specific words quickly. The musical term is shown on one side and the complete definition is given on the back of the flashcard. Along with the 100 terms, we also include 24 music symbols, along with suggestions on how to use them, such as setting up a word wall or playing games like Jeopardy! We offer this kit as either a poster kit or as a digital download. You can find the Word Wall Kit and many other great teaching aids on Musicplay.ca. Join our online community today across all the social media platforms.